Cleaning between the teeth is an important part of keeping your gums and teeth healthy, but using regular string floss can be especially frustrating if you have limited mobility. In this video, we'll share simple tools and ideas to make flossing easier and more comfortable. If regular string flossing with your fingers doesn't work for you, try using a floss pick or a long-handled floss holder. These tools make it easier to reach all areas of your mouth without straining your hands or arms. If gripping is difficult, look for flossers with fatter handles or add a foam grip for better control. An oral irrigator is a great alternative to traditional floss. It uses a gentle stream of water to clean between the teeth and along the gum line. Just aim the tip between your teeth and let the water do the work. If you have trouble with arm movement, try resting your elbow on the table for stability. You can also use a mirror to improve visibility and make flossing easier. If you need assistance, someone can help using a floss holder or an oral irrigator. Communication is key. Let them know what feels comfortable for you. Flossing doesn't have to be a struggle. With the right tools and techniques, you can maintain a healthy smile with ease. Keep flossing and keep smiling. Your smile is worth it. For more oral health tips, visit pathwaystooralhealth.org.